You have stolen my dreams.
What?
Entire ecosystems are collapsing.
Ah, it's exciting. It's time for Dex's crypto market update. Oh, look at you people. You're already here. Welcome, everybody. We're so glad that you're here. Please like, subscribe, say hello in the comments in the live chat or in the comments, whichever you're here for. We really appreciate it. All of it helps us out. And we have a new channel on one of those other video streaming things. So find us on there. And also, you know what? We're taking Twitter a little bit more seriously. So make sure you follow us. The link is in the description. Dex, I don't know if he knows it yet, but he's about to get real active on Twitter.
Hey, that's cool. That's cool.
That's one of the plans. So yeah, check us out on Twitter. Dirt is here.
What up, Dirt?
It's time for our crypto market update. It's Tuesday, June 21st. We're so glad that you guys are here. Right after this, we're going to be live, PulseWaveTrading.com, for our ETH trade update we do every Tuesday and Thursday, as well as our live trader training. And those have been great. It's some of our favorite stuff. By the way, programming note, this is for those of you who are PulseWave members. Next week, I'm going to be away. And so usually I facilitate the Q&A session. So what we're going to do for you guys, pretty amazing. We're going to make, this is starting Thursday of this week, because Thursday I'm not going to be around either because I got 2 kids graduating from school. It's funny, Dex, like all the kids in our family are graduating different grades at the same time. We've like probably 70% of the grandkids in the family.
Wow.
Including 2 of my 3 kids. So it's really funny. Like my sister, 2 of her 3 kids are graduating and so on. It's really funny.
You got your hands busy, my brother.
Yeah, dude. It's some great stuff though. It's a great time of year, and we're looking forward, even though things are getting crazy. We've been preparing for it. So we're excited about life, even if it's going to be crazy. Thanks, Dirt. So here's what I started to say, and I interrupted myself with my enthusiasm about my own life. We're going to have Thursday through next Thursday. All of our members are going to get access to the Trade Journal on Tuesday and Thursday. So we're going to put that in for you guys to make up for the fact that we won't be able to do the trader training those days, but we are doing it today. So go to PulseWaveTrading.com. You just got to be a member. Right on the homepage, check out our memberships. Starting at just $11 a month, you can get access to these trader trainings and ETH updates where Dex opens up his account and shows you what he's doing. And that's part of our PulseWave Paradise membership. But of course, if you're new, you can get a 14-day free trial with our pro membership. You can get coaching. You can even set up a one-time consultation. If you just got some burning question for Dex, we've got that available for you at PulseWaveTrading.com. So check it out. Everything we do and everything we're offering right now is of really tremendous value. So we hope that you'll check it out in these dark and difficult times.
And they are dark.
Yeah, and then right after this, we're going live for our trader training where you can ask Dex your questions if you're on that call, which you get access to with your membership. All right, I'll be quiet now, Dex. How you doing, my man?
Doing great, man. It's just the short weekends seem to keep getting shorter.
Yeah, man. Well, we actually had an incredibly long weekend, and it still felt short. It went so fast.
But the good news on the back of that, though, is we're about to have another weekend because it's a shortened trading week. Today's Tuesday, not Monday.
Yeah, I know. It's amazing. So here we are. We got Bitcoin is pulled up a little bit. It's actually got a green candle for the day.
Mm-hmm.
Do
I do see that. And I know people are probably wondering, so what does it all mean, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, let me give you the skinny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
wish I was skinny.
The markets are starting the week off in very noticeable territory, such as the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is starting the week off still in a bear market, right? And no, it is not a bear market retracement. No, it's not even a correction. It's just a dead cat bounce off of the lows.
Yeah.
So from a pure momentum standpoint, that's all you're seeing. However, there is information that suggests that this is very limited.
Yeah.
It will be limited, meaning that at some point, maybe even before this week is out, the market will start turning down again. So you're still in a bear market in Bitcoin, and you're still in a bear market in Ethereum, and you're not in a market correction. This is just a typical pullback off of new lows that the market hit, especially when you hit new 52-week highs or new 52-week lows. Markets tend to, pull back from those numbers before locking back in and resuming the major trend. So that's what you see going on here. Same thing in the other markets, like the Dow today. Still, it starts the week off and still in a bear market. So does Bitcoin, Ethereum, crude oil is still in a bear market. That hasn't changed. Believe it or not, the NASDAQ still in a bear market. That hasn't changed. I know the markets are rallying today, but still the markets are what they are. And you have to remember that. If you're in a bear market, you know that the bear market rallies can be powerful, but you cannot forget that you are still in a bear market. Right. So that changes. You got to trade accordingly.
I saw something interesting. I was wondering your take. I think it was that pollster guy. His name's Frank too, but he was saying he was talking about how with July 4th coming, he thinks that people are going to be stunned. It's one of those days of the year. He was saying there's 3 days of the year. I think it was Christmas, maybe Thanksgiving, and 4th of July, where everybody has to fill the gas tank up. Yeah, Luntz, thank you, Lowrider. Everybody has to fill up the tank. Everybody has to buy their full groceries because their friends are coming over. It's kind of one of those days where, you splurge and all of a sudden everybody's going to realize just how insane the inflation is. He thinks it's like a moment. Do you think that's true, or are we already past that moment where people just see what's going on and we're just waiting for the full panic to set in?
We're already past that moment and we're just waiting for the full panic to set in.
Yeah.
Absolutely 100%. With the national average at the pump being $5, you can no longer hide that fact from the American people, because it's staring them right in the face. It's saying, "Hi, remember me? What's up?"
Yeah. And it's also you have a social gathering where everybody gets together and says, "Hey, man, it cost me $100 to get here."
Correct.
You have that barbecue effect where everybody at the same time did the same thing to get there, which is empty their bank account.
Right. And it should be mentioned too that you got beans still in the teens. So with soybeans, trading at $17 a bushel, when its historical average going back 200 years plus was $4 a bushel, we have a problem. That's a 300% increase in the last 200 years.
Wow.
Yeah. Food is important, which reminds me, we're getting ready to back up the truck, ladies and gentlemen. So you definitely don't want to miss the next few installments of the Trade Journal, because yes, it is time. It's time to back up the truck.
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to do. And you're going to see my laundry list of items that we're going to be adding into the portfolio moving forward. This is going to give us a huge jump over everyone else because they don't know what's coming and we do.
Very powerful.
So you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, next week's Thursday, Tuesday, and Thursday, our PulseWave Paradise members are going to get access to the Trade Journal. Not to mention Sunday. They always get it on Sunday. But so you're going to get it 3 days next week instead of just one. So it's a really great feature of that membership, and really totally justifies it as a monthly membership.
Absolutely, 100%.
Which,
don't want to miss it.
We're about to go there, and we're going to check in on our ETH trade and see what's going on with that. But I think we already know. Same thing going on with Bitcoin. And so it's an opportunity to get ready for the next short. So very cool. All right, folks, that's it for today. We'll see you guys. Head over to the blog if you remember. Just go to the dashboard. I don't know if I'm signed in or not. I am signed in. Go to the dashboard, click on PulseWave member blog, Tuesday ETH update, and you're there. It's going to be very powerful. And by the way, also today, you also have access to the Trade Journal because we didn't do one on Sunday because of the holiday. So you guys are getting all kinds of blessings this week.
You know it. You know it.
All right, guys, we'll see you there. We'll be there in just a minute, ready to take your questions and hang out. What up, Thomas? All right, folks, that's it for today. Go to pulsewavetrading.com, and we'll see you on the call. We're out.
Peace.